In this video, I will show you how to enable HDMI CEC on your Roku TV. Now, over here, I have a 32-inch TCL Roku TV, but it doesn't matter the brand or type of Roku TV you have. By the end of this video, you should be able to turn on or enable the HDMI CEC feature on any Roku TV or Roku TV device you have. Now, in case you do not know, HDMI CEC is the feature that allows you to be able to control other HDMI devices that are connected to your Roku TV using your Roku TV remote control. So basically, you can control other sound bars or gaming devices that are connected to any of the HDMI ports on your Roku TV with your Roku TV remote control. Now, to enable this feature, you want to scroll over to the settings of your Roku TV. So from the home of your Roku TV, just scroll down to the settings over here, select it. And then you want to continuously scroll down until you get to the system settings at the bottom over here. Go ahead and select system settings and then scroll down to control other devices, which is basically the CEC option. Select it. And then from here, you can now turn on the HDMI CEC feature by checking the two options you have over here, which is the one touch play and the system standby option as well. Now, for the one touch play, what this actually do is to allow other devices to automatically switch the TV to use it as active source when playback starts. And lastly, the system standby option over here allows your TV to be able to make other HDMI devices that are connected to the TV to go to sleep as soon as the TV goes to sleep as well. And that is basically how to turn on or enable HDMI CEC on your Roku TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.